Good afternoon, beautiful people. I know, it's been so long, but you see what we are here with today? Mystic Acrylics. You guys, I've been waiting so long to try her stuff. And I even have another box that I won and I haven't opened yet. I haven't opened this one either. So yeah, really kind of stoked. Can't wait to show it to you guys. So I guess this is kind of going to be like an unboxing Mystic Acrylics and then swatching. This is an order I placed. I also have a custom acrylic in here that I have not seen. She showed it on her live, but you know, I had to look away because I didn't want to see it. Sorry if I do any kind of rambling, whatever. It's been so long since I've actually had mommy time to do anything for myself. And I don't know what to do with time for myself. It's obviously not something I'm used to anymore. Anyways, a lot's happened since my last video. I don't really want to get into it too much because I don't want it to be a depressing video. I want it to be a happy video. Anyways, so let's open and see what I got. All right, her little note says, "This made my day. Hope it makes yours. Yeah, I'm so excited for you to get all your goodies. Thank you so much for everything you've done for me. Oh, thank you for everything you've done for me. P.S. I love you and thank you for pushing me to be great. Girlfriend, I ain't push you to do anything. That's all you, honey. And you are phenomenal at what you do." And I love this paper. Look at that hollow. Oh my gosh. I'm glad my daughter's upstairs. She would go bananas. Look at the love and care that she puts into packaging this stuff, you guys. Look at these cute little bags. I love them. I don't... do I want to open this one last, maybe? I don't know. I'm going to open this one last. We are going to open the Sweet Tarts Glow collection. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this packaging. Bear with me, guys. I'm half blind. I can't see. So we have orange sickle. Beautiful, beautiful orange. Oh my gosh. Orange is my favorite color. Blue and orange. Pink paradise. Oh. Uh-oh. Cool lemonade. Sorry. Why do I keep looking on the bottom? I'm frozen slushy blue. I love me some blue. Oh my gosh. This is grape fizzy. Look at that pretty grape. Ugh. And cool limeade. That is a pretty green. Yay. I got to keep these with the bags. I have to keep them with their collections because I am weird like that. If they had numbers on them, they would be put in numerological order. Because like I said, I'm a weirdo. Anyways, we're keeping the paper in the box and all that stuff. All right. Here is her next collection. If I get sidetracked or lose train of thought, I'm sorry. I am watching Tammy's Nail Techniques paint on a phone case for one of our YouTube friends. All right. Love of the Ocean. I love that. Oh, I cannot wait to swatch these for you guys. Luscious Purple Sparkle. Look at that. You guys can't really see the sparkle in there yet, but you will. What? Green Goblin. This is so pretty. And I love that she takes the extra time to like make her stuff be extra pretty instead of just going and getting, you know, black lids like most everybody does. Sunset Crush Sparkle. Oh, I cannot wait to see this one. Looks kind of orange. Spicy Cocktail Sparkle. Okay, okay, girl. I see you. And Golden Sunshine. Yes. Okay. I really am super excited and can't wait to try these. All right, now my thank you bag. And I'm sorry if this is wonky or sideways or whatever. It's been so long since I've made a video, I forgot how to, you know, position my phone. The ever famous spoon that everybody gets in their orders. I love it. I love that she does that. Fairy My Dust. This, I watched her make this on live, and I'm glad she swatched it when she did because I think it's perfect, exactly how she has it. Reflective Mauve Nude Glow. So pretty. Oh, this is the custom one. Oh, I can't wait to see this. Erica's Butterfly Patch. Oh, you guys can't really see. But when I picked this, I told her, all I'm going to say is Erica loves purple and I love shimmer. Do what you do. And she is doing what she did. And then this is Wow into Face Nude Glow. Oh, yes. Okay. If I go out of frame, I'm sorry. Alrighty. And then we got, oh, this is such a pretty glitter. Look. Oh, I love it. That is so pretty. Oh, yes, I forgot that I ordered butterflies, you guys. I forgot that I ordered the butterflies. Now, she makes these in a little, what are they? Mold thingy. This is with acrylic. Oh, my God, these are beautiful. Should I take them out of the plastic? Probably. But I'm not going to yet. Oh, I love it. And I love how these two have, like, white. Oh, girl. Beautiful. And then my stickers. Let's see. Create your own reality. I try to. Oh. Slay all day. Girl, don't you know it? Smile. I need to. And thank you. Oh, okay. We're going to put these back in here so that nothing happens to them. All right. So, I am probably not going to open this and swatch this. When I do, I'll probably mix just a tiny bit with a little bit of clear just so we can kind of see it. But not today. So, I'll stick these back in here and put those to the side. And just because I think I'm going to open up the other box, just so I can kind of see. Now I know she has, I won her dragon scale, so, and look at that. I got her other really pretty paper. Oh, I love it. I got a collection in the way. Okay. I freaking love this pink heart bubble wrap. Erica's gonna love that. So, I have had this box for a while, you guys. I just never have me time, like I said. So, that's why you see hearts and stuff. Because it's been since, like, around, what is that? Valentine's Day. All right, this is one of her cuticle oils. Let's get it out. Oh, that smells phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. And I love how, oh, it's got sparkles in it. I love how she takes the time to bubble wrap everything, even if it's just a little bit. This is Bombshell. Oh, I used to, see, I don't know what way the camera is going, so I used to love Victoria's Secret's Bombshell. Beautiful and smells delicious. Tan Cover Shimmer Glow. Oh, guys, I can't wait to see this. I'm not swatching these ones today, though. Okay. I guess this is a thank you. I don't know if these are freebies. I should have done this video a long time ago. Pink Marbler Cover Glow. Sorry, I am half blind. Sorry for the crinkling. Oh, son of a beach ball. No. All right. Sorry, guys. Okay. Whoops. Sorry again. Holiday Cheers Reflective. I love me some reflective. Okay. Which ones are these? I don't know which ones these are. I think these are ones that she's been saving for me. Yep, because this is the Dragon Scale. These are the ones that I won. See? Little spoon. I love it, you guys. Oh. Crystal, I love you, honey. How in the world? I see it. And sorry, guys. I have recently took, you know, jewelry and rings and stuff off because I have gained some weight and they're getting tight and I have to take them to get them stretched out. So no pretties to look at today. All right, we have Dragon Scales Yellow Glow, and if you guys could see the shimmer that is in this bad boy, oh my Lanta. And then Dragon Scales Blue Glow. I love it. That is so pretty. I cannot wait. Crazy Mama Blues. Girlfriend, don't I have the Crazy Mama Blues? And then Dragon Scale Green Glow. This caught my eyeball, and you can barely see that shimmer sticking to the jar. Oh my, I am just crazy for some shimmer. I love me some shimmer. I think this is her Halloween right here. Purple People Eater Glow. Ooh, I remember when she made this. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Soulless. I can't wait to swatch that. That looks yummy. Fed Up with Shenanigans. In my house, there's always shenanigans. Neon Love Glow. And there's neon pieces in here. Can you see those? Yeah. Oh, girl. And then, of course, let's see what's in here. The little spoon. I love those little spoons. And look at what I got. A Mystic Acrylics sticker. Ooh. Oh, the Evil Eye. Femos, or whatever they're called. Oh my gosh, I love those. Look at them. Look. I have anxiety. I do. I have bad anxiety. This is cute. Oh my goodness. And just so you guys know, she does custom mix all her stuff. If you go on her website, you can get custom made acrylics or glitters. She does all that amazing, wonderful stuff for all her wonderful people. She has some beautiful supporters. And then, of course, a little note. I'm sorry, I know a lot of people read their notes out loud to people, but I am pretty sure I want to keep this note to myself. So, thank you so much, Crystal. Sorry it has taken me, 5 million years to show this stuff, and hopefully I get around to unboxing it not unboxing it, swatching it very, very soon, because I am dying to see what they look like in person. Okie dokie. Where do we start? Let's start with her Sugar Acrylics Sweethearts Glow collection. I am going to swatch these. You guys have got to bear with me because I am not a swatch stick swatcher. I am a paper towel swatcher, but I am going to do my best to swatch them on swatch sticks. So, don't laugh at me. Look at that hair. Where did that come from? Anyways, we are going to do Grape Fizzy first. Oh yeah, I forgot. She stickers these closed. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see. La 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 la. And my thing is not wanting to work. What in the what? Okay, we're just gonna take the lid off of this then. And I don't see my jar that I normally use for my, whoops. All right, we're just gonna dip it in then. Okie dokie. We're gonna move this so I don't knock it over. I've done that a time or two. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh. Oh, I am loving it already. Loving it already. Yes. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Alrighty. So very pretty. Don't look at my crusty nails. Like I said, I never get time to do anything for myself. Awesome. So that is Grape Fizzy. Grape Fizzy. Pretty. I love it. It's gorgeous. And then Frozen Slushy. This is the blue one. I love me some blue. I love it. And they have a nice little matching like shimmer in them. It is beautiful. I absolutely love this. And because I love blue so much, I'm going to be stingy and I'm not going to fill that whole thing. That is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, I love the shimmers in it. The little tiny glitters. They are just right. That is just the right amount. Gorgeous. You guys. And let me tell you, the consistency of it. I have used a whole bunch of brands. I have used a whole lot of everything in life, and she actually has put time into finding a good acrylic. Why do I keep forgetting about these sticky tabs? This is Cool Limeade. Oh, I love it. Not pretty? Look at that. Ooh, so pretty. I feel pretty. Oh, so pretty. Don't laugh at me. This is what happens when you're a stay-at-home mom and you never get outside anything. You start to lose your mind. Yes, I love the consistency of this. I love how it spreads. I love all of that. Look at that beautiful green. Oh my God. And I love how she coordinated everything. I love it. She really is a very sweet, loving person, you all. If you don't know her, that's kind of sad. She's an amazing friend. She's, I think, an amazing mommy to her kids. Orange sickle. She's an all-around great person. Oh. Look at this orange. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh. I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. This is a very pretty orange. Very pretty orange. Yeah. Oh, God. I can't wait to make a set out of these. Oh my gosh, you can tell it's been a minute. All right, cool limeade. Probably, see, I keep forgetting about these sticky tabs. Yep. Oh, that is a very pretty green. A very pretty green. Look at that. Very, very pretty. Very good texture. Very, very good. I love this. And it doesn't stick to my brush, which is an amazing bonus, because I've had some big name products actually that just stick all over to my brush, and that is no bueno. That is no bueno. Oh, Pink Paradise is what this is. Oh, flip it around. Oh, look at that pink. I am not a pink person, ladies. I rocked pink for a while, unwillingly, of course. I am not a pink person, but this is a very pretty pink. Very pretty pink. Love it. Look at that. Oh, God. I love it. I love it. I love it. Sugar Honey, I can tell you right now, you have done a phenomenal job. Even filling it like this. That is smooth. That is very smooth. I love it. I love it. Look at these colors. Look at these beautiful, beautiful colors. This one's still setting. Look at this. And they all look so good together. She likes rainbows, guys. She loves her some rainbows. And that is a very inspirational thing for her, I think. All right, this is Spicy Cocktail Sparkler. Oh, yeah, look at that. I am super stoked over this. Super stoked. Super, super stoked. Very pretty. So easy to work with, you guys. I quit working with acrylic for a long time because I got pregnant with my 6th child, and I was not going to use acrylic through my pregnancy, so I kind of quit using acrylic, and she started coming out with all kinds of gorgeous stuff, and I've been waiting a very long time. And I just started using look at me. Look, I ain't even trying to change color. I'm getting ready to build a whole nother something. Oh, it'd be like that sometimes. It'd be like that, I guess. Heart of the ocean. Anyways, she started coming out with all kinds of really pretty collections, and when she came out with her Halloween collection, I told her that I had to have it, but I just wasn't doing acrylic yet, so she saved me one of them, and I cannot wait to get to those to swatch them. I love this blue. It is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Oh, good grief, you guys. If you have not tried it, please. Mystic Acrylics, I believe bigcartel.com. Look, I'm getting ready to do it again. Go place an order. Try it. I would not recommend this if it was not good. This is very good. Very good products. I am loving this. My niece is here, and oh no, did you see what I just did? Oh my god. I can't wait to do her nails with some of this. All right, we're just gonna do this. Oh my god, that gold's beautiful. And I'm gonna continue like none of that even happened. I will clean that up after. This gold is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, that is freaking amazing. I've never like spilled that much. I have accidentally spilled glitter before like this, but never acrylic. This is like abuse here. I am so ashamed of myself right now. Okay, moving right along. Don't spill any more. Oh, this is Green Goblin, and it is a beautiful green. Beautiful green. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. I'm gonna do this on my nails. So I really want to try, or I can't wait to swatch her newest glitter. I have a funeral to go to Friday, and I want to do my nails for the funeral, and I think I'm going to use one of these new colors that she has. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, that's so freaking pretty. I might even do this one. Oh, I am so mad at myself for spilling that. Such a dum-dum. Okay. This one is Luscious Purple Sparkle. life. Look at that. Oh, that purple is gorgeous. This purple is gorgeous. Oh my good night. Oh, that is beautiful. Yeah, I'm still going to do the green. I love the green. That green is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I can't help it, you guys. I am such a dingbat. And then this is Sunset Crush Sparkle. Another gorgeous color by a gorgeous person. Don't laugh at me. Actually, go ahead. I don't care. I like this orange. That is a beautiful, beautiful orange. It's a very me color orange, and I love it. Oh my God, do I love it. Oh, you guys. Love it. Holy guacamole. Ugh, and I just stuck my pinky right in that. Shame on me for dumping that. Okay. Now, let's see if we can get through these four without dumping these. And this Fairy My Dust is the one that I was thinking I wanted to use to do my nails for the funeral. But since swatching this green right here, I think I might use, I don't know, maybe both? I don't know. We'll see. All right. Here's these, and these look like they are a reflect. They look like they have reflective in them. Look, I can't even hold the swatch sticks right. Oh, so pretty. So very pretty. I freaking love them. Crystal girl, you keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing, honey. We are going to save this one for last because we are going to do Aries. Erica's Butterfly Patch. And when she sees this, I already know what's going to happen. She's going to want mommy to make her a press-on set. And I'm going to have to make her a beautiful press-on set with this. Oh, this is... I'm speechless. This is gorgeous. Oh my God. Aries gonna love it. Let me dump some more on that just because I want more on it. Hopefully my kids are not giving my niece a hard way to go. Oh, that is gorgeous, you guys. Look. I love it. Look at how pretty that is. Look at how pretty that is. Thank you, Crystal. I love it. Erica's gonna love it too. Oh, I just seen how dry my hands are. You did an absolutely phenomenal job with that. I love it. Thank you. I love it. I absolutely love it. That is an amazing job, sister. Oh, no, we're doing that one last. Look at me not looking. All right, we'll do Wow Inda Face Nude Glow. And then we're going to do the Mauve Reflect. Oh, I almost spilled that again. Not that again, but I almost spilled again. Oh, that is so pretty. And I like how I can watch it polarize, right? Everything's smooth out. That looks gorgeous. It does not have a chalky look. It does not have a chalky feel. None of that. It is beautiful and perfect. And I love this color. I just might have to do this as my nail bed color with the green. Oh my God, I bet that's going to be gorgeous. Maybe even some of the white swirled in there. Yeah. Oh, yep. Freaking gorgeous, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Holy. Oh my God, I am a sucker for shimmer. I am a sucker for shimmer. Okay. And then Perfect Mauve Nude Glow. Can't wait to see this one. Oh. Oh. I wish you guys could see this stuff like in person. I wish I was in your guys' living room showing you this. And watch, you can see this stuff polarize so beautifully and smooth. Oh no! Did you see that? Shame on me. That was my bad. Beautiful. I'm telling you, you guys. Very nice. Very nice. I love how it smooths. I love how it moves. I love how it picks up. I love how it does not stick to my brush. Do you see that? It does not stick to my brush. That means a lot to me. Look at that. Just for, just so you all can see, they are different colors. This one is lighter, this one's darker. Absolutely, of course, this is also a reflect. Gorgeous, you guys, gorgeous. And my phone is stupid. It's my old phone, so beautiful. Oh my God, it's freaking beautiful. Oh, I am so proud of you. I can't wait to see where you're at in another year, and then another 5 years, and then Fairy My Dust. Let's see Fairy My Dust. I can't wait to see Fairy My Dust. And I would also like to point out, you guys, I have not changed my monomer through any of these colors. I have only wiped my brush, bloop, bloop, right? Same monomer, same everything. Do you see how the pigment does not even stick in the brush? This Fairy My Dust is still the color it's supposed to be. So there's no residual oh my God, pigment. There was just a big boom. I don't know what that was. There's no residual pigment left in your brush. Nothing is sticking to the brush, which is A1. That is fucking amazing. Sorry, flippin' amazing. Potty mouth, mama. Potty mouth. Okay. So, what am I doing? My thoughts. My thoughts are, if you don't have mist acrylics, please go get some. Try it. I didn't even clean my brush. I promise you're going to like it. It's beautiful, amazing product. I am so very happy that I got it. I mean, look, my brush is, it's perfect. My brush is beautiful. Oh, it's gorgeous. I'm one happy person right now. Crystal, you have outdone yourself, honey. It's beautiful. I'm glad you didn't give up. I'm glad you have pushed forward. I know there was a couple times where you were wondering if it was worth it. And I think you pushing forward and moving forward and working through all the ups and downs, I do believe it was 100% worth it, honey. And I can't wait to see where else you go. It's beautiful. It's amazing. I am so very proud of you right now. So very proud of you. Let me show you these again. Look, see, still, the white is still white. The white is still white. There is, after all those colors, after all these colors, that's 12 colors. The white is still white, and I didn't clean my brush in between, and the white is still white. A lot of other products, you would have had to have cleaned your brush before even thinking about dipping into the white, which is another reason why I waited to the last, is because I wanted to see. And it's beautiful. It's freaking gorgeous, and I love this white. That's amazing. I'm so thankful that you left it how you had it when you were making it. I'm glad you didn't add anything else to it. It reminds me of fresh snow. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All of these colors are absolutely beautiful. I love them. You did a phenomenal job. A phenomenal job. Let's see if we can kind of get some of this picked up real quick. I'm just going to make a horrible mess. See? I knew it. I knew it was coming. Alright, so hopefully it won't be long and I'll be back with another video for you lovely ladies. I do have a bunch of Zule's products that I would like to show you guys. She also has amazing stuff. And Crystal's products are equally as amazing as hers. Yes, equally amazing. Okay, I'm going to go check on my kiddos. That goes here. These go here. Okay. I'm going to go check on my kiddos and make sure everything is okay with them. I don't hear any screaming or crying, but you never know. All right. This is her newest collection. Beautiful. This is my custom. Absolutely gorgeous. I am so freaking so happy with that. And then we have our new Reflex. I've already forgot the name of this collection, but that's okay. Thankfully, she is my friend and she can be like, hey, dum-dum, this is the collection. She knows I'm losing my mind with, you know, dealing with toddlers all day long. And then here's this collection is so pretty. I love them. You guys need these. These remind me of highlighters. I freaking love them. They're gorgeous. This is just absolutely amazing. They're freaking gorgeous. I'm speechless over this, and I'm speechless over these. They're great. I need to do a set with this green. I love this green. I love it. Oh, Crystal Honey, you outdid yourself, baby. Outdid yourself. You did phenomenal. None of it marbled. There was no marbling. Like the color, like on this purple where you see this right here, is just a smidge bit darker. That's me. That's me putting it down and just letting it sit, and not brushing it down. That was user, not product. None of it marbled. It is perfectly pigmented, perfect glitters, perfect shimmers, perfect amount of everything. Even the stuff that glows, like the mauve glow here. Is it the mauve glow? In your face glow, does the mauve glow? Yes. Even the mauve reflect glow. No marbling. And a lot of times the glow pigment in colored pigment will create marbling, and there was none, which is great because I don't care for marbling products. Anywho's and hows, amazing, wonderful job, sister. I freaking love it. I am so totally stoked to finally have Miss Acrylic's products on my shelf. I cannot wait, and hopefully I will be back soon swatching this one. I love you guys.